back to my cat. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Jay Lee. I'm coming back to you ladies with another foundation review. We are on foundation number 4. So, if you haven't seen those videos, chuck up and be above. I'm going to go ahead and put a key card to the playlist to the ones we've done before. But today, we are going to be doing the Bareminerals Fresh Faced foundation. This one was actually sent to me complimentary by Bareminerals via Influencer. And I'll tell you guys a little bit more about that as well later on in the video. And I'm going to link some stuff down below. But this one actually did get sent to me, and you can look at the bottle here with how it comes. It says Made-2-Fit for Jessica, and it does the same thing on the back. It has my name back there. I have actually done wear tests on this thing and wore it for a little while. Also, it does come in 1 fluid ounce. I'm going to read you guys some data from this and tell you exactly how you get it and things like that. It does retail for $49, which is on the higher end of foundations. I know a lot of the ones I will be reviewing or have reviewed are more drugstore and, you know, beginner friendly and not so expensive, but some are. And this is one of those. Bareminerals is the complexion expert that brings you the ultimate custom blend. It's a skin-loving foundation that is made to fit your unique skin tone. It's calibrated with the Match Code patented shade matching technology. Bareminerals Made-to-Fit Fresh Face Foundation is formulated with the mineral-based pigments to match your skin tone. The custom color is exclusive to you. With your name printed right on the bottle. Its weightless formula not only provides a natural radiant finish, it contains nourishing ingredients to hydrate and smooth the appearance of your skin for instant younger looking and more beautiful skin. It has a fresh face texture. It's a creamy foundation that transforms into a lightweight skin balm that blends to your skin. And basically with the app, because I did use it, and I did see some reviews where people said they had a heart issue. I did not. To calibrate it, you need 5 pieces of white paper, and you actually will calibrate it on the paper, and you just keep tapping it until it says it's calibrated. Then you go in and you will look at the app, and the app will tell you exactly where to hit on your skin, and you take a picture of it until it gets enough of them to say, hey, this is your perfect match. Now for me, because my hyperpigmentation is not as bad now as it was then, so you guys will see how that affected it, but I will say that can affect it if you do have hyperpigmentation. Now, some of the benefits that and why they say you will love it. It says it's a custom blend foundation that delivers a natural looking lightweight coverage for all day wear. It's made to match your unique skin tone. Your name is printed on the bottle. 100% shade match guarantee. It has white lily extracts, which help to promote nourishing benefits and more revitalized and healthy looking skin. It has green tea extracts. It has white mulberry extracts. It has minerals like zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, iron oxide, and other minerals to help, you know, with your skin as well. Now it says the way you are supposed to use this. I was suggested by them. For their best results, you should use their brush. I don't have their brush, just FYI. It says pump the foundation on the back of your hand. Start with 1 pump for medium coverage and build to full coverage with a 2nd pump if it is desired. Then you pick up the foundation brush and start in the center of the face and work towards the outside of the face to blend into the skin using short downward strokes. Blend well into the jawline and the hairline to ensure that the makeup is looks even on the skin and not like makeup. So that's what it said. For me, it is semi full coverage for me, but that's because, again, I'm not always into the heavy makeup, so it did work well for me. We are going to be using, once again, which you guys know I always do, half of my face is sponge, half of my face is brush. With this product today, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend the CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer. I actually have already moisturizing conditioned my skin, and one of the things that you ladies know if you are returning is that I love using the Neutrogena Sheer and Dry to the Touch sunscreen. It's an SPF 30, and it actually helps me to stay matte beyond that. But it also protects my skin from the sun. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish priming my face. I feel this is a really good drugstore primer as well. And if you guys want to see me to do a review and, you know, a talk through on the primers that I do own or have used before, let me know. Shoot that down in the comments below, and I will get that video out for you. Because I want to make sure that I'm putting out content that you guys actually want to see. So yeah, I'm going to use 2 pumps because I know I like full coverage. So first I'm going to do this half of my face. And with this one, I don't normally color correct at all. So what I'm going to do is use a sponge first. And for me, with this foundation, because I wanted to make sure I was doing it correctly, it is gray on me personally. You guys tell me what you see, but the times that I've used it, it does look gray. So I don't really know. Most people, when they see me though, they say that it looks really, really good on my skin. But for me, it is a little grayish like. So you guys tell me what you think. Cause like, even if you look here to here, it looks a little gray. And I am doing just my everyday, I'm walking out of the door look, because I don't sometimes put on a lot, and I literally use 2 pumps on this side of my face. So I will say sometimes you have to use a little bit more than they say. So just doing that half of my face. If you look, it is a little more yellow than I like. And I will tell you how I have worn it and made it work for what I use it with. I'm going to do 2 more pumps to do this half of my face. I'm going to use a brush. So let's get into it. And if you're wondering why I didn't color correct, it's because I have tried it before, and color correcting under here does not work that well with the products that I do have. So I just choose not to when I do use this product. Now you do, to me, get more coverage with the Beauty Blender with this product. and that's with me actually having to used it before. So I'm gonna go back in. Well, I'm gonna let you see guys first. See how I got fuller coverage using the Beauty Blender than I did using the brush. But I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender just to smooth it out some. Now, you guys know I always give you my honest opinion on any product that I do a review, because that's what, you know, you guys come to me for, is to get the truth. Now, this product, as you can tell, it looks gray. Like, it looks very gray on me. When you put my hand next to it, it is not a product that I actually do wear alone. What I normally do is I will mix it with some foundations that I have that are a tad bit too red. And I will warm it up with that. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, something got in my eye. I will warm it up with that. But once again, it's not something that I wear alone. Arm will go. So after I put on everything, it does look really good under all the lights I have on in here. But it is really, really gray, ladies. Like, it's gray. It's gray. They do have a money back guarantee that you can send it back if it don't work. But I didn't send it back because it was free, and I figured out a way to actually use it. Because it actually does tone down some of my foundations that are too red and too orange. So that worked really well for me. But on its own, in person, I look gray. So it's not a foundation that I do wear on its own. Some people might try it and love it because they might actually have a shade for them. For me, I feel my shade was off too, because at the time I bought this, well, at the time they sent me this, let me stop lying. At the time they sent me this, my acne was terrible. So I feel like when it was trying to match my skin, it was trying to find a medium in between all of the dark marks and my skin. So I feel that's why it came out a little bit gray. But it's like really pretty for photos. Like, I will never lie and tell you it's not pretty for photos. But in person, I look ghostly. So this is going to be a miss for me personally. But I feel for someone who has more clear skin, the app will probably be able to find your complexion a lot better. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, comments, concerns, if you want to see another foundation review, y'all leave it in the comments. Y'all know I be reviewing everything. So leave them in the comments down below. If you have more questions, if you need a link to the app, that's going to be in the comment section. And I look forward to hearing from all you ladies. And thank you so much for sticking to the end. And while you're here, if you didn't subscribe already, go ahead and subscribe right there. And check out my latest video right here. You know, you're already here. What's one more video, y'all? What's one more video? But thank you again. Mwah. Till the next time.